Hello besties, welcome back to another video. You guys said you wanted me to make a video about paid internship opportunities. This video is for you, okay? This internship is a paid one and it's going to take place in 4 different countries. The first country is Switzerland, in China, India, and Japan. So the reason I'm sharing it is not just because it's an internship, no, because you're going to be paid monthly, okay? And your visa will be sponsored if you want to go to Switzerland. So I thought to share this with you people, since this channel is about how to make money online. This is part of it, okay? So I'll walk you through the process, the eligibility criteria, and how to get started with your application. Don't click away, wait till the end, because I have a bonus one for my PhD students. So please watch till the end, share with someone, subscribe if you're new here, comment your location so that I can welcome you properly into this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. Please give this video a massive thumbs up as it helps me to keep bringing you more videos like this. Let's get started. So this internship is brought to you by World Economic Forum Early Careers Program for Spring 2026 cohort. Okay, it's going to take place in 4 countries. The first city is Geneva, Mumbai, Tokyo, Belgium, which is Switzerland, India, Japan, and China. It was posted 2 days ago on Economic World Forum website. It's a 6-month duration employment that may be based in these 4 countries. And they're telling you to know that they can offer work authorization support for Geneva-based roles only. The World Economic Forum, committed to improving the state of the world, engages the foremost political, business, and other leaders of society to build coalition and initiatives digitally and physically to address industry, regional, and systematic issues. As part of their global team of over 1,000 employees across 6 offices representing more than 100 nationalities. Program overview: they believe that early career talents are an essential and vibrant part of their community. The Early Careers Program provides an exciting opportunity for participants to get a feel for working at the forum, bringing in fresh ideas, and gaining valuable real-world experience. The position they offer are best suited to bachelor's and master's program graduates with a maximum of 3 years cumulated work experience inclusive of internships. Conditions and benefits of this early career program: full-time on-site employment contract of 6 months at the World Economic Forum office. The program starts between March 15th to April 15th, 2026, and you earn monthly gross compensation. So let's look at application and selection process. You can review it here to know if you actually qualify to apply for this. This program is for graduate and master's degree holders. So if you're not in this category, share this with your family member, with your brother, your sister. Okay, let them try their luck. They will continue to accept application until the 26th of November 2025, and candidates who pass the initial screening, you will then be invited. So they're going to conduct an initial screening, and once you pass it, you will be invited to complete an asynchronous video interview. And then, if you perform well in the video interview, the hiring manager and the team member will interview you. The hiring team will shortlist all the candidates to complete a personality questionnaire, followed by an interview with the talent acquisition team. And then offers will be extended to selected candidates, contingent upon successful reference checks and background verification. They will do a reference check. Make sure the person you're using as a reference is someone you trust, okay? When applying, you will have the opportunity to select the content, industry area you primarily wish to focus on. And this can be advanced manufacturing and supply chains, AI, frontier technologies and digital innovation, economic growth, equity and inclusion, human capital and skills, energy and materials, financial and monetary systems, regional agenda, trade and geopolitics, health and healthcare, sustainability, nature and climate, urban transformation. And data analytics will be responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data to support informed decision making and strategic planning around forum and center initiative, or to support the development of research and flagship reports. So you can read other details about other categories, okay? So when you're applying for this program, you will have the opportunity to select functional areas you wish to primarily be considered in. It can be in business, development and key account management, event management and global programming, finance, procurement, legal compliance, hospitality, facility management, marketing, communications and media relations, people and culture. The skills and competencies you would develop at the forum will include sense of mission, collaboration and relationship management, communication, problem solving, adaptability. This will actually help you. This channel is about work, make money online. This experience you're going to gather there will help you scale through in the job market. Why work with them? The forum believes that progress happens by bringing together people from all walks of life who have the drive and the influence to improve the state of the world by building awareness and cooperation, shaping mindset and agendas, and driving collective action. Join them and become a driver for positive change. So just click on apply now. If you want it to also fill with your resume, if you know that your resume is up to date, you can use your resume or you apply through LinkedIn. So let's apply manually. Then here you would see early careers program for spring 2026 cohort. That's where you start your application with your name, your experience, your application questions, voluntary disclosures, review. How did you hear about us? Please specify if you have previously worked for the forum before, your country of origin, or select Nigeria here, legal name, family name, your address, your email address, your phone number, your country code. You already put it here for me, and the phone number or phone extension. So the ones with these red stars here are compulsory. You must answer them. They are compulsory questions that you must answer. Then once you're done, your experience level will come in. So that's why I said if your CV is up to date, you can just use your CV to autofill this information. Okay, so where did you find them? You can choose career websites here, forum community, forum website. So they'll ask you some questions, application questions, voluntary disclosures if you have volunteered before, and all of that. And that's how the application is done. It's straightforward. There you have it. Go and start that application. If you're a degree or a master's degree holder, go and apply. Let's see. Keep me updated in a comment. I love to hear updates, okay? If you need any help or you're confused with something, just drop it in the comments. I'll surely reply. I reply to your questions and comments all the time. Again, for the sake of our PhD holders, I'm going to share another one for you so that you're not left out, and it is from Microsoft. Let's go back in. This is from Microsoft. It's called Microsoft Research Fellowship, and it is globally, okay? Collaboration across disciplines to explore, innovate, and shape the future. The Microsoft Research Fellowship creates opportunities for academic scholars, faculty, PhD students, and postdocs. So if you're a PhD student, that means you're still studying your PhD. Then you can go for it. Or you have finished postdocs to collaborate with Microsoft Research on open research challenges that advance scientific understanding, drive innovation, and deliver scientific benefit. I'm not going to dwell too much on this because I don't want this video to be long. Okay, I'll leave the links to these two websites in the description. Check the eligibility criteria. Okay, the program accepts proposals from individuals based in the following regions: Africa, Australia and New Zealand, Canada, Europe, India, Hong Kong, Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Taiwan, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Mexico, Puerto Rico, and the United States. Africans are here and I'm really happy about it. So they are seeking to foster greater levels of diversity in their workplace. So check it out. Student eligibility. Students may submit proposals on their own behalf. You can see how to apply. Student must be actively pursuing a PhD. Check the postdoc eligibility for those in postdoc and provisions of award. Check it out. Funding amount vary by the region a fellow's organization institution of employment is located. Africa, you get $17,000. Australia and New Zealand, $17,000. Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, Mexico, Puerto Rico, 17,000. United States, 47,000. Other countries, other regions, 17,000. This stipend amount include travel, funding to support your in-person collaboration. You may use this funding to visit Microsoft Research Principal Investigators and collaborators at Microsoft Research Lab office. All payments will be distributed in March and April 2026. If selected, Microsoft will work with respective departmental finance to transfer funds. And stipend rates are reviewed annually and benchmark against comparable fellowship programs in each geography to ensure competitive alignment. So you get this money, okay? You get this money you're seeing here to help you throughout the research program. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is doable. I'll leave the links so that you can check them out. Check both websites out and see which one suits you so you can apply. This is the apply button here. Submit a proposal. So you can read the step-by-step guide. This is the general guidelines, okay? And all submission should be by English and it should be self-submitted. Don't use any agent for it, okay? Call for proposal is Tuesday, November 4th. Proposal submission deadline is Tuesday, December 2nd. So you still have time, and notification will be by February 10th, 2026. So both of them are starting by next year, March, and they both have money attached to it. It's not a free internship. You're going to get paid. You're not paying a dime. They'll give you money to support your relocation, your funding, everything. Okay, the research, they will also give you the money to carry out every single research. So let me know your thoughts. If this interests you, I'll surely bring more of these videos because I have them loads. Let me know your thoughts. Please keep me updated with your application. Now, I love to know what's going on. If you applied, how did it go? And if you want me to make videos about other content, like other topics, drop it in the comments. And I also noticed that some of you are confused about email marketing and email reply jobs. I have a video coming up to explain the difference between the two and how to get started on both jobs, because they are good paying jobs. There are two jobs, good paying ones, but they are not the same thing. Okay, thanks so much everyone for watching. Give this video a massive thumbs up, share with someone, subscribe if you're just seeing me for the first time. I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.